3.
There he goes. Look at him. Go get him. Yeah, you can catch him, buddy. Go get him. Don't get stuck. Go get him.